Pinadress namin doon sa isang kliyente, 3, 4 na bagay. Unang-unang concern nila, yung sales flow nila. It's broken. Ang reklamo, feedback ng mga customers nila is ang hirap gumawa, mag-final transaction sa kanila sa online. Pangalawa, yung kanilang customer service front-facing. Nahihirapan yung mga kliyente pag mag-inquire sa kanila. Pangatlo, yung revolving fund nila na-deplete. So wala silang emergency fund o pera pag kailangan nila sa kanilang operations. And pang-apat, yung branding nila. It's outdated na. So naunahan na sila at mahina na yung sales nila dahil doon, naunahan sila ng competitors nila. So yung multiple levels na yun, kung hindi nyo natatanong, yung wife ko kasi has been working with multinational companies dito sa nationwide. And they handle malalaking retail stores and businesses na kayang i-handle yung ganong klaseng growth para sa mga businesses and entrepreneurs. So, ang ginawa natin is we had a very good meeting with them. Candid, light, pero at the same time, very serious on how to scale their business and their operations. Kasi nga, ang unang kailangan i-address doon yung sales nila. Pero at the same time, it's an overhaul of the process. Kailangan i-attend lahat. At the same time, hindi pwedeng benta lang. Kasi paano yung customer service side? Hindi ka makakabenta kung sablay yung customer service side mo, front-facing. Paano yung operations mo? Paano yung revolving fund mo pag kailangan ng pera? Okay? So we had to address all of those things at the same time. Ang maganda dito, pag open-minded yung business owner and ready to take on the challenge and adjust to the times, they have to modernize their business, their process flow. Okay? And again, AI is not the full answer. It's all about experience, the wisdom, and at the same time, cut to the chase. Let's go down to the bare minimum and do business with your clients and your customers. And that's the main thing na importante sa businesses ngayon. Okay? Make it easy for your clients and customers to transact with you and be on top of mind para madali kang mahanap, madali kang makita, madali kang kausapin. Alright? So, you want this? You want to scale your business? You want a partner that can assist you every step of the way? Let's talk about it. Alright? Huwag kang magpatumpik-tumpik, huwag kang magdalawang isip. And if we're not fit, that's fine. It's